Okay. Mommy, ooh, I'll take this.
You want that one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's probably a good one.
Ooh, I'll take
That one's
that.
hipporific, isn't it?
Yeah, that one. Okay, open it, Zoe. Okay, Zoe. Okay, open. Let's see what's inside.
Need help with that ribbon? Oh boy.
Can you open?
You gotta tear it up from the side. Yeah, see right there where it's taped together, you probably be able to get a hold of something there and tear it. There you go. Oh boy.
Wow.
Recognize that one?
What is that, baby girl? Whoa, what is that? Zoe, look at me. Hey, look at me, Zoe. Zoe. Wow.
Is that the Hungry Hippo?
Yeah.
Wow.
Hungry Hippo, hungry, hungry hippo. Hungry Hippo, hungry, hungry hippo. Boy, we could play that tonight. We could all three play that together.
I like that kid.
That's not my best one, is it? Okay.
I like
Right there. Give it to Daddy.
Oh boy.
You
Boy, I like what it is.
Okay.
Is it a pair of old socks?
Open.
Is it a pair of old
You
socks?
gotta open it now.
Wait, is it? Let me see. Is it a smelly fish?
No, it's a car and a truck.
What? It is? Or is it? Or is that? I think maybe it's an old tennis shoe.
No, I think it is.
Is it a tennis shoe?
No, I think it's a truck and a car.
A truck and a car?
Yes, open it.
Don't sound like a truck and a car.
Open it.
I think it's a bag of beans.
Open it.
Open it.
You want me to open it?
Yeah, you see?
Okay, alright, I'll open it. You can pull on that one for me.
Okay.
Can you pull it all the way out for me?
Mm-hmm.
There, you gotta pull it all the way.
City smile.
Okay, are you gonna help me pull the end of it open right here?
Oh, yes.
Because I need some help.
I can't do it.
Let me see.
Ooh.
Okay. Are you about... Carrie.
Yoshi.
You'll see.
Yeah, mittens.
You'll
You gonna see? You want me to help you a little more?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yoshi.
Okay, help pull it down. Now pull it down. There you go. Okay, now pull it off the end. Oh boy. Okay. What's in there? Get it out for me. What is it? What is it? What is this? Oh man, I love these! I totally need these for around the house.
Yeah.
Oh, you know, these are perfect.
Smile,
You know,
Zoe.
This
Smile.
really is perfect.
Smile first. Zoe, smile too.
Cheese! You know, because these are good. These are good to wear, like, if you want to play Hungry, Hungry Hippo.
Yeah.
These are comfortable. You know,
Good.
thank you. These really
You're
are.
welcome. That's Zoe's gift for you.
These are from Zoe?
Yeah.
Oh,
Can I open my present now?
all right. Plain Jane, but they're cute. Like that one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I open this one?
You can.
Alright, take picture of mommy.
Okay.
Well, don't let it jump out and bite you, though. It might bite you.
Say cheese. It's the best Christmas ever.
Whoa.
Really?
The best Christmas ever.
But how about this?
Wow, what's inside?
Throw up the bits.
What size? I like it.
I love it.
Me too, I love it. I love it. I don't know what's in
Well,
there.
we'll make sure she gets a bone.
This one?
You want that one?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Let's see.
I got a present.
Wow.
Got those cookies for good, you know.
Oh my goodness. What is that? Whoa. Dora.
What is it?
What is it, baby girl?
Gotta open it. Let me see.
Hey, Fish.
It's the Dora Explorer.
Hey. Fish is looking for his present.
Puzzle. It's a puzzle.
Yay! We're gonna open the present now.
Mommy will help you pick out the good ones to open first.
Fish is trying to open the other present.
Good.
Oh my god.
What do you got?
Yay!
What is that? Is that a floor mat? Oh, wow.
Aww.
Let me see. Oh, yeah.
Okay, next. Okay, get. That's a big one, huh? Whee!
Opening this one.
Oh, watch. No, I enjoy watching this.
Yeah.
It's a big package.
Yeah.
I wonder what's in there. I think it's a hippopotamus?
No, we already got one.
Oh, yeah. Crocodile. Could be a monster costume.
Don't think so.
Some bananas?
I don't think so.
Don't think it's bananas?
No.
Well, we're going to find out. What is it?
Wow.
What is that?
Get the
It's a
paper.
backpack.
Oh my
It's a backpack.
god. Yay!
Where did that one come from? Did that one come from Mommy Santa?
Santa.
Santa. Yeah.
Is that Grandma Santa?
Grandma Santa.
Goodness.
Oh, she's gonna put it on.
Wow, you got a backpack.
Wow, backpack, backpack.
Of course you can't talk.
Oh, I can't talk. Smile.
Of course it's too big.
Hey, when you go to school, baby
Oh,
girl.
we can adjust it.
Hey, what's this one? What do you think it is?
I don't know.
What's that?
Ooh, what is that?
Coming from Santa G?
Yeah. Grandma. Hey, what do you say?
Let me see, what is this one? Oh, this is a sticker album. Lot of stickers.
Stickers.
Wow, cute.
Cute, huh? What you can say?
Thank you, Santa.
Oh my gosh.
Let's go fishing.
Let's go fishing? Let me see.
Oh.
It is. It is.
Who gave that to you?
We called that Santa on the phone. We called Santa on the
Oh.
telephone.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, we called. That's going to be fun.
Wow.
We get to play that one.
Okay, yeah.
Hey, you got Let's Go Fishing. Look at there.
What are you gonna say to Santa?
Thank you, Santa.
Not yet.
She's almost done. What is that? Wow. Wow, what is that?
It's like a lunchbox.
Yeah.
Let me see it.
Ooh.
Oh, wrap it on to your backpack.
Oh, yeah. This
You can
one.
strap it. Look, you put your lunch inside there.
When I go to school?
When you go to
Yeah.
school, it's a lunchbox. And then this can strap on to your
Bag.
onto this.
And
then you can go to school.
yeah, and then I put it in my cubby.
Yeah, that's right. You put it in your cubby hole.
My cubby.
Because you
What?
have a when you go to school, you have a cubby hole to put your
But
stuff.
are you sure they got a cubby?
Oh, they.
Hey, what is that? Hey, Fish, is that your gift? That's his present.
Fish.
He wants fish. Fish wants fish.
Such a responsible little guy, you know?
Yeah. He wants
So
that.
young.
Hey, sweetie, fish wants fish for Christmas.
What is that?
Oh, what is that? Let me see. Wow, look at that. I'll show it to Daddy again.
Oh, boy, what is this one? Let me see. It is grape scented body wash. It's soap.
Woo!
Is this one a sponge?
What is that? What's in there?
What's that?
Whoa!
Oh, it's a,
look at that.
Is that a doggy?
Yeah.
It's a doggy toy.
Cute, cute. Yay! Let's see what's inside. Fish is going crazy. Hey, fish. Come on, there. I don't remember what's in there.
I'm open.
There.
Remember now?
Oh, yeah.
House shoes. You can put
Ayan.
those on right now if you want.
There you go. Yay, let me see that there. Whoa.
I just helped Santa Claus open.
Daddy's eating right there. Hi, Sute.
Come on,
Merry
Daddy.
Christmas.
Feliz Navidad.
Maligayang Pasko.
Oh boy, that's a big white box. Can you open it?
Oh, no, you can. Oh, there. She's doing it.
Oh, she is. You know who's that one from?
Santa.
Is that one from Santa Claus?
Uh-huh.
Oh boy,
Oh,
did you see
my
this stuff
God.
yet?
This is your mommy.
Wow, look at that.
She knows it. That's cool.
Is that Hello Kitty?
Wow.
Yeah, we bought it.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh wow, look at that one.
It's a we bought it.
Good for going to... Yeah, me and Zoe did.
But she don't remember when
I know.
I asked.
Look, it's good for going to the movies. It's very fashionable.
Like it. Thank you, sweetie.
We did that last time.
You're welcome.
Love ya.
You like it? It's kind of fun, like when you got your tennis shoes on.
Yeah.
This one.
What was that? Not that one. Can I open my other present now?
You can.
Help me open my other present.
Okay.
Hey, fish. Help us, fish.
Yeah, have fun.
Let us open the present. Wow. Woo.
Very good quality.
Oh my God. Didi, I got your shoes. What size is this? Yeah, we need. Oh, this is nice, isn't
I
it?
want to open this one.
Thank you.
Your feet won't hurt in those. That's the best quality pair of shoes.
I love it. Wow. We're gonna use that today.
Ice cream?
Oh, I got ice cream cones. Oh, look at that. I got ice cream cones. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Let me see. Oh! I don't have any gloves either.
I know, that's why I bought
I
it.
don't.
Because we're gonna go skiing.
That's right. Very good. Thank you. I'm going to wear them right now.
You're gonna open this too?
I'm going to put my gloves on.
Ooh. Is that the
Pull
truck?
it out.
I
Right
think
here, you gotta
that's
pull the string.
I think that's the truck, huh?
Is this the truck, Zoe?
Yeah.
She just remember when you open, you know. Even if you bought it with her. She's with you. She don't remember. Wow.
Can you open it? Okay, there we go. All right, open it up. What is it? What is it? Oh, I needed these. Excellent.
Yeah. Whoa, what's
Pull the paper
in there?
right here. What do we got here? Did I get a hoodie? I got a hoodie.
How did you?
Well, it looked like a hoodie.
Yay!
Alright, this is a thing. This is a coat.
Yeah.
Oh, this is perfect.
Merry Christmas.
And
The Happy New Year.
from?
From Steve, Jen, and Zoe.
Yay!
Like your kids?
And then we're gonna play. How about mommy? Love you.
Merry Christmas.
Hey, she's talking to you.
Merry Christmas, sweetheart. I love you.
What is
Merry
that?
Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Zoe.
Merry Christmas.
Okay.
Sure, plug in right back.
Inside. Can you open? Huh?
Whoa! That's awesome!
What is that? Look.
It's my leopard!
Yeah.
My leopard come!
Yeah. You like that?
What's this?
Yeah.
Yeah!
Yay.
Thank you!
Welcome.
Thanks for watching.